Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today is all about simplicity, and I'm going to share with you how to make the most simple and delicious crab rangoon. Now, I have posted this recipe as far as the filling goes already. This was one of my most popular recipes on the Lazy Girl's Kitchen, but I wanted to show you how I make it in a actual crab rangoon way. I don't know. If you don't want to make egg rolls, you can make it this way. It's really simple. It's delicious. Are you coming over? Someone's coming to say hello. Come say hello. You want to say hello to our friends? Come here. Okay, come say hello. Say hello. Can you say hello? Good job. Say, go make our crab rangoon. Say, go make our crab rangoon. Yeah, blow kisses. Good job. So, this little guy loves it. You're going to love it. So, go ahead and go make it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. Skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try